What is Python used for? Python is a general purpose coding language. Now, which means that unlike HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it can be used for other types of programming and software development besides web development. That includes back end development, software development, data science, and writing system scripts, among other things. Now, what is Python in simple words? Python is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports models and packages which encourages program modularity and code reuse. Now, next question is, what is the major use of Python? Python is a general purpose programming language. Hence, you can use the programming language for developing both desktop and web applications. Also, you can use Python for developing complex scientific and numeric applications. Python is designed with features to facilitate data analysis and visualization. Now, who uses Python today? Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search systems. The popular YouTube video sharing service is largely written in Python. The Dropbox storage service codes both its server and desktop client software primarily in Python. Why is Python so popular? Now, first and foremost reason why Python is much popular, because it is highly productive as compared to other programming languages like C++ and Java. Python is also very famous for its simple programming syntax, code readability, and English like commands that make coding in Python lot easier and efficient. How does Python work? Python is a dynamic interpreted bytecode compiled language. Python tracks the types of all values at runtime and flags code that does not make sense as it runs. An excellent way to see how Python code works is to run the Python interpreter and type code right into it. Is Python used professionally? Now, Python is rather widely used for scripting. This includes various testing, building, deployment, monitoring, frameworks, scientific apps, and just quick scripts. Python is rather widely used as embedded language. Few, if any, desktop apps are commercially developed in Python. What are basics of Python? Now, Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. What is Python good at? Now, anytime you want to work with the data, from scraping, data analysis, visualization, machine learning, or AI, Python will be your best friend. There are a number of important libraries for each one of these tasks, and they are grant libraries highly used in research and production environments.